Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word lavalier in depth. First, the definition. Lavalier means a small microphone clipped to clothing for hands-free audio recording. Think of it simply as a tiny microphone necklace you can wear. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Lavalier traces back to a style of pendant necklace popularized in the early 20th century. Over time, it's been used by broadcasters and performers to capture sound discreetly. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use lavalier in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She wore a lavalier microphone during the interview to capture clear sound. Correct example 2. The presenter attached a lavalier before stepping on stage. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to lavalier my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using lavalier correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Lavalier means a small microphone clipped to clothing for hands-free audio recording. It comes from a style of pendant necklace popularized in the early 20th century, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with lavalier down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.